think I see scratches.
Okay.
Maybe they're ruins.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe they're trying to tell us something. How old is it?
It's about 4,000 years old.
Wow.
Okay, time to go. Hello?
Hello, Cariad. How's it going?
Honestly, Mum, I'm really bored. I regret ever agreeing to this.
That's absolutely marvellous, darling. Now, me and your auntie are running a little bit over time. So, if you can spend a bit more time with your cousin, we'll meet you a bit later on.
No way!
We'll be another hour or two,
No.
maybe 3.
No, Mum, please.
We'll transfer you some money for petrol. How's 20?
It's not happening. I'm coming home now.
Well, 32?
40.
40. I'll send you the money now. Speak soon. Bye. Oh, have you shown her the book?
The book? No.
Show her the book. She'll love it.
Spider.
Yo, buddy, it's Saturday. Where are you?
I'm still looking after my cousin.
Well, don't forget, we got our rave tonight. Taxi's picking us up at 10. How far away you at?
About 2 hours from the city.
Oh my god, you were really far away.
Yeah, we're looking at some old historical churches.
Oh, I didn't know you was a nerd. I wish you'd said.
Nah, the cousin likes it.
Well, the rave is in an old abandoned church. Bring your cousin. Wait, how old is she?
18.
Bring your cousin.
No way.
What's her name?
Olivia.
Olivia from Bolivia. Hey!
She's from Canada.
Same thing, innit? Well, whoever you do bring, you need to be here before the taxi leaves. So that means you need to leave within the next 2 hours. Don't be late, brother.
I won't.
This is amazing. I can't believe someone actually built this. Don't you think it's amazing? Cal?
Around 600 castles in Wales, and this isn't a particularly amazing one.
Well, that's even cooler. This is an average castle.
Below average.
A below average castle.
And it's technically not even a castle, it's a fortified manor house.
Don't you think it's amazing? Say it's amazing.
Look, there are a lot of castles in Wales. We see them all the time. Like walking the dog, driving to work. It's just a crumbling wall.
Did Granddad write about this one?
What?
Did he write about it in his history guides?
No,
Prove it. Show me the book.
I don't have it.
Your mom gave you a book before we left. It's in your jacket pocket. Candleton Castle. Built between the 14th and 17th century.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, this next part's in Welsh. Can you read it to me?
No. I'm sorry about earlier on. I haven't read Welsh in a long time and I'm not too confident anymore. And as the people pass on, the sanctity of Wales passes back to the earth. And this next bit is in Welsh.
Oh, please, carry on.
So it basically means
No, in Welsh.
But you can't understand Welsh.
Yeah, I know, but read it anyway.
Hen eglwys wanon hyglod, a godwyd I gadw i'r diwdod. Wasanaeth melys hynod, a llawr glan allor ei glod.
Wow. Can you teach me some?
Yeah, what do you want to know?
How do you say I am?
Rydw i'n.
How do you say happy?
Poen.
Point. Redween point.
And now say, rydw i'n poen enfawr.
Renween point and vower. Does that actually mean I'm happy? So, can we go somewhere else that Granddad wrote about?
Well, that's it now.
What do you mean?
Well, we're gonna head home.
Oh. Well, can you still read to me in Welsh when we get back?
Well, we're gonna head home because there's a rave in town.
Oh, amazing.
I'm going with my mates.
Oh, okay. What time do you think you'll be back?
I don't know, probably quite late.
You know I leave tomorrow,
Yeah, I know.
so this might be the last chance we get to see each other.
Well, no, it's been lovely.
Yeah, it's been amazing. Do you think you'll visit me in Canada?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Can you promise me one thing?
Yeah.
Can I have Granddad's book?
Wanna come to Canada?
So I'll never get it then.
Over there is a Neolithic burial mound.
How do you know so much?
Granddad used to teach me it. He used to drive me around Wales teaching me all this. Every weekend we'd head somewhere new.
Really? I would love that.
Did he never take you on one of his tours?
I never knew him.
What, you never met Granddad?
I came here once when I was a newborn. And then the last time I was here, I was 12 for his funeral.
Oh, so you never went on one of his history walks? He's never showed you around any castles?
First time I got to see a castle was today.
I know one more place. So this is overlooking Adler. This is also where we chose to scatter Grandad's ashes.
Oh.
Yeah, this was his favourite spot. We used to come up here in the summertime, cook up some sausages and watch the sunset. And he used to tell us this story about how the dragon got on the flag. And he'd tell us the same story every time, and I'd say, you've told us this before, but you know, we just keep on saying it.
I would love to hear it.
And me.
Don't you have a party to go to?
Oh, I'm not going now. Okay. There were two dragons.